Chadwick Robertson Pharmacist discusses how innovative medical devices are transforming patient care and treatment outcomes. Technology has revolutionized the world of healthcare, making it easier for medical professionals to diagnose, treat, and monitor patients' health. These devices have made it possible to provide more personalized, accurate, and efficient care while reducing healthcare costs. The PillCam. The PillCam is a small, swallowable capsule with a tiny camera that takes images of the digestive tract. Glucose monitoring devices. For individuals with diabetes, glucose monitoring devices have been life-changing. This technology has made it easier for patients to manage their diabetes and make necessary adjustments to their diet and medication. Smart inhalers. These devices use sensors and Bluetooth technology to track medication usage and monitor lung function, giving patients detailed and personalized feedback on their inhaler usage. Electronic health records, EHRs. With EHRs, medical professionals can access patient records from any location, share information with other medical professionals, and provide real-time updates to patients. 3D printed prosthetics. For individuals with missing limbs, traditional prosthetics can be expensive and uncomfortable to wear. However, with 3D printing technology, affordable and customized prosthetics can be created in a matter of hours. Telemedicine. This technology has made healthcare more accessible and convenient for individuals, especially those living in rural areas or with limited mobility. Telemedicine is expected to continue to play a significant role in healthcare even after the pandemic ends. Robotic surgery. Robotic surgery has transformed the field of surgery, providing more precise and less invasive procedures for patients. With advanced imaging technology and robotic arms controlled by a surgeon, procedures can be performed with greater accuracy and precision, resulting in shorter recovery times and reduced risk of complications. Conclusion. Chadwick Robertson Pharmacist considers that innovative medical devices rapidly transform patient care and treatment outcomes, providing patients with more convenient, personalized, and efficient care. As technology advances, we can expect to see many more innovative medical devices in the future. Comtext 4460265822285D2 the 28401 8T3654. Globe PR Wire.